I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. Updating your billing information on Chase is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile option, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings, find the section labeled billing information or payment methods. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Update your information. Here, you can edit your billing address, credit card details, or any other relevant information. Make sure to double check for typos. Quick gotcha, if you are using an expired card, the system may not let you save changes until you enter a valid card number. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating, look for a confirmation button or prompt to finalize your changes. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after. That's it. You've successfully updated your billing information on Chase. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support.